Hey, do you know how to use social media?
Yeah, do you really know how to use it wisely?
Being media and information literate means knowing how to understand and think about the things we see and hear online.
That's really important, especially nowadays. Social media can help, but it can also spread fake news if we're not careful.
Like what Donald Miller said, ignorance is a choice in the age of information. So with that in mind, here are some simple ways.
to be smart and responsible with media.
Ganito na lang. Bibigyan ko kayo ng pera, pero picture muna tayo.
Sige tayo, sige tayo.
One, two, three.
Every picture, every post, every hashtag has a story behind it. Think before you click and think before you like.
Nice! Walang pasok bukas. Kita mo ba?
Uy, anong layas mo dyan? Alam mo, di yan totoo.
Pero dito... Ay,
Don't believe in everything you see online. Check the source. Look for proof.
Be alert. Be media literate. Think first, verify always.
Ano naman itong post ni Kate?
Being online doesn't give up a free pass to be rude. Word still hurts behind the screen.
Napicture tayo ba?
Uy, bakla! Delete mo yan. Baka may ibang makakita niyan.
Ayaw nga, no? Hindi ko na Sorry.
Think before you post. Don't share
Your location.
school or schedule publicly.
Pangit naman yung feeling, Luz.
Huwag mong intindihin yan, I already reported it para sa'yo.
Report it, block it. Speak up what's right. You can make the internet safer, one click at a time. Yeah, but do you?
Knowing to understand and think about the sea.
Report it, block it. Speak up what's right.
Ano? Ay, hindi ba?